Number one, safety. Great. I'm not gonna die today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Here in Asakusa, and one of the things that we notice here is that there's people here who are carrying around other people. Do you speak English?
A little bit. Sorry.
Is any way you could explain what this is?
This
for Japan? Yeah, like what is that?
RICKSHAW.
Okay.
Private tour guide. This one.
So this is a private tour guide, but
Yes,
oh, there it is.
Guide. This
is
one.
a rickshaw.
Yes, RICKSHAW.
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 So with the rickshaw, I think they just take people around.
Yes.
And they are
Asakusa.
actually tour guides.
Yes, tour guide.
And they'll take you across different areas of Asakusa.
Asakusa, around Asakusa.
Yeah,
Yes.
So how much does it cost for the? How long?
So most short course is 10 minutes.
Okay.
So 2 people, 5,000 yen. So you can choose course from 10 minutes. Yes.
Up to past 2 hours.
So yes. So long time is 3 hours. Yes, 3 hours complete Asakusa.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a really great experience because here in Asakusa, you could come to the temple and a lot of people.
Yes. Temple.
Oh yeah, the tour would take you there. Yeah.
Around.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm actually gonna go on this rickshaw. You get like 30 minutes and then even past 2 hours. And the thing is, they actually give you a tour guide. Okay. All right.
Okay.
So.
Be careful.
Okay. So check this out.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
So.
Okay. Okay.
Sit down, please.
Oh, okay.
Sit down, please.
So you actually have to sit up here.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Let me. Okay.
So, back
Okay. I'm gonna take my bag off. So this is my first time doing this. And
on this.
are you taking me or he's taking me? Who's you? Okay, so this super woman, super strong woman, she's gonna take me on a tour guide, 30 minutes.
Okay, sorry.
And check it out, you get a blanket too.
Okay. Yes, the blanket.
So
Very warm.
it does get cold in Japan.
So, yes, please hold this.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Safety belt.
Okay, I don't wanna die.
Yes.
Don't kill me.
No.
So look how strong she is.
Ikimasu.
Yeah, check this out. Oh, that's wow. This is so cool. Yeah, she's very strong. But look how fast she's going. And look at this. Number one, safety. Great. I'm not gonna die today. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Safety.
So this tour is 9,000 yen, and it's for 30 minutes. And
One person, 9,000.
yeah, one person it's 9,000 yen. If it's 2 people, it's 10,000 yen.
So RICKSHAW is 2%.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
So 9,000 yen is $57, and if you have 2 people, it is going to be about $63. And so I think it's worth it if you wanted to get a tour in a rickshaw.
Yes. So
With
no time 46. Round Asakusa, come back here.
Okay.
So 60.
Okay.
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 So I'm a little bit English.
Yeah. No problem.
Passion.
Yeah.
Passion. Important passion.
Yeah.
Passion.
Yes. Thank you.
So talking okay. Listening so difficult.
Okay. So yeah, her English is good because
Wow.
in Japan.
Training.
Yeah.
So just one year ago, not speak English.
Really?
Yes, only.
Oh wow!
Thank you. Okay. No, thank you. Sorry.
How did you learn English so fast?
So this job.
Uh-huh.
So many customers talking.
Wow!
Laugh.
You're very good. Very good English. Strong woman speak good English.
Thank you.
Sure. So
Irasai.
check this out.
Same company.
Yeah, there's other people going around.
Many men's driver.
Yeah.
Many men's driver. A little bit driver. Yes.
That's good.
Look this.
Oh wow.
It's a square building. This is Asahi Beer Company.
Ah,
Asahi Beer Company.
Oh yeah, the headquarter.
Square building is Asahi.
Oh, Asahi, yeah.
Asahi beer company.
So if you like Asahi beer or Sapporo beer, that is the headquarters. Nice. Oh, that's a long river.
Yes, long river.
Yeah.
Sumida Park.
Sumida Park, yes.
Sumida Park. So, Skytree photo spot. Okay.
Oh,
so
right there.
Rickshaw down, please lean back.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Open the roof, okay?
Okay.
Open the roof.
Okay.
Very beautiful.
Okay. Okay.
Be careful.
So check this out. You could actually open this roof.
Open car is so nice.
Yeah, and then you could come take a picture right here. Just really picturesque. Especially at night, you can look here, the skylines here. So this is a great place to just come take a picture. And what she just did was this. She opened this up. So if you wanted to take a photo
Yes, take a photo.
as you're going through, you could do that as well. But I'm taking video, so it's
okay.
really good. Yeah. Oh man. You're very faster than me.
My engine.
Yeah, your legs are strong. Yeah, strong engine.
Yes, strong engine.
There is another rickshaw driver.
Different company.
Different company. Wow, it is beautiful though with all the lights at night.
That time is so beautiful.
Yes.
So, besides many food shop.
Mm-hmm.
So, famous food is tempura.
Oh,
Yes.
I love tempura.
Oh, you love tempura?
Yeah, I love Japanese food.
Oh.
Oh, I love it here in Japan. Oh, wow, so many likes.
Yes, many right.
Oh, unagi.
Ew.
Ew. Yes, it's good. One thing I'm gonna eat is wagyu. I never tried wagyu.
Wagyu?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Wagyu.
It's expensive.
Ear is very expensive.
Yeah, eel's expensive too.
This one.
Oh, okay. So eel, yeah.
Good smell.
Oh yeah, this good smell. This is good smell.
Very popular.
Yeah. Oh, eel is very popular. Okay.
So many ear shops in Asakusa.
Oh, in Asakusa. Oh, okay. Where did?
Wagyu.
Yeah. What about wagyu? What's a good place to eat in
Over there, it's the Wagyu shop.
mm-mm.
Over there.
restaurant?
Yes. Wagyu.
Okay, I try it.
Oh. I want to eat Wagyu, but very expensive.
It is. Well, that's why you have to save money and go like vacation. I'll go eat it. You pay for me. Wow, look at all the likes.
Oh,
Whoa.
I'll come back here. Over there, finish point.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, Taito. Welcome to Taito City.
Oh, yes, Taito City.
Taito game. Taito game.
Yeah, this here, Taito City.
Wow.
Yes,
So this is Taito City. I love Taito video games.
This is Asakusa station.
Ah.
Yes, this is called Skytree line.
Wow.
So you can ride this train.
Yeah.
So you can go 3 minutes Skytree.
Wow. So Taito is the name of the city.
Yes.
But for me, I play video games.
Wow.
Taito is a game company
Oh,
in Japan.
company?
Yeah, Taito, Nintendo, Konami,
Wow.
Capcom. Yeah. So it's the city, Taito.
Taito.
Ah, okay. So that's where the name Taito came from. Okay, wow. Famous for matcha tea?
So green tea.
Green tea, Is it good? What's the
Very sweet.
best place to drink tea? I go try it.
Green tea shop.
Ah, okay. So, okay, that's something I didn't know. She's saying that this is known for matcha tea. There it is.
Tea shop.
Special matcha sweets. I've never had that, so I'm gonna go try that. Oh, wow. You like it?
Matcha beer.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay.
Matcha.
Okay, so there's matcha tea, matcha beer, matcha products. So I'm gonna try it out. Oh, that sounds good. You're not tired?
No.
Wow, that's
It's okay.
I'm tired watching you running.
I'm not tired. It's okay. Oh, I I'm number one strong.
Yeah, you are number one strong. I'm scared of you. Wow, look at this. And she's going fast too. It doesn't seem like it, but she's going fast.
Oh, fast.
Yeah, see, check this out. Oh, there's a fire truck going on here. Okay. Yeah. And so this is the Sensoji Temple.
Sensoji Temple.
Yes. And she's saying it's about 1,000 years old. That is an old temple.
Temple is 1,400 years ago.
Yeah.
So this gate 400 years ago.
Wow. Okay.
So this gate is very strong.
Yeah. There it is. See, look how strong they are.
Friend.
Yeah.
Friend.
Yeah. Yeah.
Different company.
Okay. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. I see.
Many rickshaw company.
Many rickshaw company. Okay.
About 10 company.
10 rickshaw
Yes,
company?
so
Oh.
company.
But it's good. They make money.
So my company is Redware.
Redware. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ooh.
Different companies, so a lot of wear.
I see.
So,
I see.
so company names?
Okay. So that's the company's
My
name.
company is Tokyo Rickshaw.
Tokyo Rickshaw.
Yes.
Got it.
Oh, not break. Not break.
Oh,
Yes.
it never breaks 400 years.
Never
Oh, that's
break.
strong.
Yes, strong.
Like you. Yeah. Look, the same color.
Yes, same.
Oh, God. Are you 400 years old?
Oh, me?
Yeah, you're 400. Oh, you're so old.
Okay. So this place,
Oh, God.
my phone dropped.
Okay, don't break it. Oh,
It's okay.
oh shit.
My phone dropped.
That's something that I didn't know. She was saying that this doesn't close. So you could come here at night and it's okay.
This is Sensoji Temple.
Yes.
Yes, number one big temple in Tokyo.
Wow. Oh,
Yes, number
okay.
one in-
I had a question. I don't know if I could. What do they do? They pray. What do they do for the Japanese?
Okay, so different religion.
Okay.
So, shrine.
Okay. Shrine.
Temple. Yes.
Temple.
Shrine
Okay.
is Shinto.
Shinto.
God.
Shinto shrine.
So,
Okay.
Temple is Buddha.
Buddhist. Okay. So this is Shinto, and this is Buddhist.
Yes.
I see.
Shinto is so 1, 2, so 2 clap. 1, 2, 1 wish.
Wish.
Yes.
Does praying?
Yes.
Pray or
Yes. Shrine rule.
okay.
1,
To
2 clap. 1 wish. Tempo is not sound.
No sound.
No sound.
Okay.
So 1 bow, not clap. 1 wish. Tempo. Yes. Different.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So shrine is many stone.
Okay, so
Many stone.
many stones. Okay.
Stone. So sound.
Okay.
Tempo is no stone.
No sound.
Yes.
I
no
see.
sound.
I see. Okay.
Shrine is sound. Okay.
I see.
Yes.
I see.
Different.
Okay.
Yes.
So what she's doing right now is she's using Google Translate to. Nice. This is the main entrance. Okay. I had a question. Why do they wear all the kimonos? See, they wear kimono. Why? Yeah.
Asakusa is so kimono and Asakusa building so nice match.
Oh.
Very beautiful.
But a lot of people wear
Kimono.
they wear kimono here,
So
but
kimono rental shop many.
many here in
rental
Asakusa.
shop.
Yeah.
Yes.
Why Asakusa?
Oh, Asakusa. So Japanese traditional area.
Okay.
Traditional kimono.
Oh, okay.
Match.
I see.
Yes.
Because I don't see it in Shibuya or Shinjuku.
So Asakusa is downtown.
Okay.
So kimono nice match.
Nice. So the trip so far is she's taking you around the areas, but she's also giving you some history about it as well. And if their English isn't too great, then they'll use Google Translate. And so it's okay, you know, if you don't understand everything. They're doing the best that they can, and they're doing a great job. But the most important thing is this entire rickshaw experience, you know. And yeah, they're very, very good at what they do. They're very strong, they're very fast, and they're having a lot of fun.
Okay, it's
Okay.
Safety, safety.
Yeah, I don't want to get hit by a car.
Oh,
Wow,
so nice.
very nice.
Oh, golden beauty.
Okay, that's where we went earlier, right here.
Oh, look this yellow building.
Oh man, it's so nice at night.
So first, number one oldest bar.
Oldest spot here
Yes,
in Asakusa?
yes, this one. So since
Okay.
1880.
Wow.
Yes,
So
very long
since 1880, this has been around. That's old.
Very long.
200 years, more than 200 years. Wow.
Kamiya bar.
Wow, wow. Look at this.
Oh, this one. Look at this.
Yeah, yeah. There's the Asahi headquarters. Oh, it's so beautiful at night.
I love now time.
What?
I love now time. I like now time.
Oh, this time. Yeah, it's beautiful.
Time.
Night, yeah.
Beautiful.
Night, lights.
This one?
It's
This?
cold. Yeah. A lot of people.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Wow.
So this station is
Uh-huh.
so big station. So many restaurant, interior shop, bookstore. So in station.
In the station. Yeah.
So top is beer garden.
Beer garden.
Yes, beer garden.
Asahi beer?
Beer, drinking.
Just beer, I know.
So you can see the light up sky tree, so drinking the beer.
Ah, nice. Oh. What's your favorite beer? Do you drink beer?
Asahi.
Asahi is your favorite? Okay.
Yes.
Number one. Better than Sapporo?
You like beer?
Me? I don't drink.
Oh.
I drink water.
Minari Monkey. Now time light up.
Ah, okay, so that's the gate to the
Yes.
shop, to the store, the market. Yes. Okay, so that is the main entrance before you get to Sensoji Temple. Yes.
So Sensoji Temple.
Nice.
Yes.
So when you go through there, you go through the market, and then you get to
Market.
Sensoji Temple.
Souvenir
Souvenir shops, yes, and restaurants.
Yes. So food and eating.
A lot of people.
Takeout.
Nighttime. Oh man, it's beautiful. Oh, so many
My
people
recommend time is night time.
right now. Yes. Wow. Okay. All right. Thank you. So the ride is done. She did an amazing job and she was very fast, strong, but she knew a lot about the history here. I just want to say thank you for the arigato. Yes. And don't forget to come check out her name.
My name is Miyu.
Okay, Miyu. When you come here to Asakusa for the rickshaw, look for Miyu. She's super strong woman. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.